In this video, you'll learn how to fix payment errors encountered on eBay. This guide provides a detailed approach to identifying and resolving common issues that may prevent successful transactions. Begin by reviewing the specific error message displayed during the checkout process. To do this, log into your eBay account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings by locating your profile icon at the top right corner of the page and selecting it. In the drop-down, click on account settings. This section will allow you to manage your payment methods. In the account settings menu, look for the payment methods option. Here, verify that your debit or credit card details are accurate and that the card has not expired. Pay attention to the billing address. It should match the address on file with your bank. Incorrect information is a frequent cause of payment failures, so taking the time to confirm these details can often resolve the issue quickly. If your card information is correct but the payment error continues, the next step is to contact your bank. This is important to ensure there are no transaction blocks or international payment restrictions on your account. Banks sometimes decline transactions due to security protocols. Specifically ask them to authorize online purchases from eBay. Alternatively, if available, consider using a different payment method for your transaction. In addition to checking with your bank, you can attempt to clear your browser cache. This action can often resolve technical glitches that may interfere with the payment process. If clearing the cache does not help, try using a different browser altogether. These steps are practical solutions to eliminate common system-related problems that might be causing the error. After making the necessary corrections, return to your orders section to attempt the payment again. Before proceeding, ensure to carefully review the final amount displayed on the screen. If the payment issue persists, you should contact eBay customer support through the Help Center. When reaching out, provide any screenshots or details of the error message you received, as this information will assist them in troubleshooting the problem effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.